Sometimes you may have created AI chat on Instagram, and when setting up that Instagram AI chat, you may have set a welcome message too. That means when anyone opens that Instagram AI chat, they'll receive one message, that's the welcome message. And afterwards, if you want to change that welcome message, you can do that. In this video, we'll be showing you how to change the welcome message on your Instagram AI chat. For this, open the Instagram application. After that, down here you can see the message button. Click on this message button. When you're clicking on that, above you can see a button like this. Click on this button and here you can see chats. Click on chats. When you're clicking on that, you'll reach the AI studio, and in that you can see your AIs. Under that, you can see every AI chat created by you. For example, I'm selecting this AI chat. After that, here you can see the settings option. Click on this settings button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see advanced settings option. Click on advanced settings. When you're clicking on that, here you can see welcome message, and this is the welcome message. If you want to change this welcome message, you can remove the old welcome message and enter a new welcome message. And if you want AI to generate one welcome message for you, click on this button. When you're clicking on that, AI will generate one welcome message for you. After that, click on this done button. After clicking on that, here you can see publish option. Click on publish. When you're clicking on that, the settings will be saved. So, this way you can easily change the welcome message of your Instagram AI chat. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.